On-page SEO checklist for beginners in 2024. Importance of on-page SEO. Welcome to our video on the on-page SEO checklist for beginners in 2024 and the importance of on-page SEO. If you're looking to improve your website's visibility and ranking, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. First, let's understand the significance of on-page SEO. On-page SEO refers to optimizing individual web pages to rank higher and earn more relevant traffic in search engines. It involves various elements like content, HTML source code, and meta tags. Now, let's break down the essential elements of an on-page SEO checklist for 2024. Keyword research. Start with thorough keyword research. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner or Ahrefs to find relevant keywords with a good balance of search volume and competition. Title tags. Craft compelling and keyword-rich title tags. Keep them under 60 characters and ensure they accurately reflect the content of the page. Meta descriptions. Write concise meta descriptions, around 150 to 160 characters. These should include your target keywords and a call to action. Header tags. Use header tags, H1, H2, H3, etc., to structure your content. Ensure your primary keyword appears in at least one header tag, preferably the H1. Content quality. Focus on high-quality, informative, and engaging content. Content should be original, provide value to the reader, and be updated regularly. Image optimization. Optimize images by using descriptive file names and alt text. Compress images to improve page load speed, which is crucial for SEO. Internal linking. Use internal links to connect related content on your site. This helps search engines understand the structure of your site and can improve user navigation. URL structure. Create clean and keyword-rich URLs. Avoid long URLs and include your target keyword to make it SEO-friendly. Conclusion. By following this checklist, you'll improve your on-page SEO, which is essential for driving organic traffic and enhancing your website's performance in search engine results. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more SEO tips.